Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what Roboflow needs, labeled images and a chosen format. Upload directly into a new project, pick detection or classification based on your goal. Once done, set your train/validation/test split, for example 80/10/10, and enable augmentation presets if you want robust results. Make sure to select the correct annotation format so exports match your training pipeline. This first step gets your data organized and reproducible, which saves hours down the line. Next, you configure augmentations and preprocessing to improve model generalization. Choose sensible presets, flips, small color jitter, occasional blur, and set an output image size that balances speed and accuracy. Once done, preview augmented samples and inspect annotations for mislabels. Correct any inconsistent class names or bounding boxes. Make sure to maintain aspect ratio where needed and apply augmentation probabilities conservatively. This careful middle phase refines your dataset, so training converges faster and performs better in real conditions. Finally, export the dataset in the exact format your training code expects. Pick YALOV 5, Coco, or TensorFlow and either download the ZIP or use Roboflow's API key to stream data. Begin training and monitor metrics like loss and MAP. Adjust learning rate or augmentations if performance stalls. If things go wrong, recheck class labels, verify image sizes, and reduce aggressive augmentations. Inconsistent labels or mismatched image shapes are the usual culprits. Once satisfied, deploy your model with the matching preprocessing pipeline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.